9 facts about fiber. If you've been looking for a way towards a high-octane diet, you'll find fiber to be exactly what you need. Even though research has shown fiber to be powerful, many people aren't taking this nutrient seriously. To help you fuel your health with fiber, here are 9 facts to help. 1. Fiber fights diseases. A diet high in fiber can help to prevent colon cancer and heart disease. High fiber helps the body to eliminate cholesterol by binding it in the digestive tract. For thousands of years, fiber has been used to stop constipation. 2. Fiber can actually help with overeating. All high fiber foods will take longer to chew and digest, making you feel satisfied longer. 3. Most popular foods don't have enough fiber. If you like the more popular foods, you probably need to increase your intake of fiber. 4. Grains offer the most fiber. Dietary fiber is actually plant matter that we cannot digest. The best sources are whole grains and concentrated grain products. 5. Kids need fiber as well. Children that are older than 2 years of age should consume a daily intake of fiber. Kids are most receptive to fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and even fortified breakfast cereals. 6. More fiber needs more water. In order to keep fiber moving through your digestive tract, you'll need to consume a lot of water. With your diet of fiber, you'll need 8 or more glasses of water every day. 7. Fiber cannot be cooked out. When you cook your fruits and vegetables, don't worry about cooking the fiber out, as it stays. The fiber found in fruits and vegetables aren't just in the skin or in the peel. 8. You can get enough fiber. If you eat more than 50 grams of fiber in a day, you can get diarrhea and bloating, which can interfere with your body's absorption of other key minerals. 9. Getting the right amount of fiber in your diet doesn't have to be hard. Even though you may think so, getting the amount of fiber you need isn't very hard to do. All you have to do is eat the right foods and you'll be well on your way to a fiber-rich lifestyle. As one of the key ingredients to healthy eating, fiber is something you don't want to skip. Fiber can serve many different purposes, which were covered above. If you aren't getting enough fiber in your diet, you should do something about now instead of waiting until it is too late.